Bluey 2022. Hey guys, it's your boy Bluey 2022, and today we're gonna be playing Bowling King for the first time. Okay, I don't have enough chips because I have 5,000 chips. Okay.
Should be great competition.
Okay, I guess I'll take a draw for now since we got no strikes. I'll take a draw. Don't take a draw. Okay, don't take a draw. Don't take a draw. Okay.
Look at this play.
Yes!
A strike machine.
I got one strike. So let's see if it's okay. Hey, loser, you lost. I'll take a draw then. I'll take a draw. Okay. I'll take a draw.
Yes, double.
Okay. Yes, I got double. I'll take a draw. Okay, I'll take a draw. Okay, take a draw. Take a tie. Don't take a tie. Okay, not a tie. Draw. Okay.
We're watching a consecutive strike show.
Let's go, Turkey. Okay, I got 3 strikes in a row. I thought was fine. Well, no spares for me. I'm pro. Oh, and I'm God. Okay, I'm God. And you're noob. Okay, you're noob. Okay.
Doesn't stop you from getting all.
4 back. 4 in a row. 4. Okay, 4. Okay. Aw, hi loser! You lost. Last turn.
Shall we call it a game here?
What are we doing?
Nothing more we can broadcast. Okay,
Yes!
it's unbelievable.
Okay, last turn.
Wow! Another strike!
Game! You win the game! I think you win at the last second. Let's go. Oh yeah! I got a new ball! Open the store.
You purchased a bowling ball.
I just purchased the bowling ball. Thanks for watching. That's enough for now. Bye bye. See you later. Why you always in the mood?
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody.